Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfogle here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Today we have a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn with a 6-inch Rocky Ridge lift kit. This is the Rocky Ridge X package, which gives you 20-inch wheels and 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires. This is featured in black diamond crystal metallic exterior color paint. This has the Bighorn level 2 package on it. This has the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 mated with the automatic transmission. This has, again, those good looking 20-inch Rocky Ridge wheels with the 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires. They're called the Baja ATZs. Got your custom running boards from Rocky Ridge. This has the deluxe cloth interior. We're going to cheat a little bit and look at the window sticker. Again, this has the level 2 equipment. This has the 392 rear axle ratio, the 5.7 liter V8. This has a 33-gallon fuel tank, engine block heater, has a 9-speaker amplified with subwoofer sound system, and built-in trailer brake controls. As again, this also has the 6-inch lift. This is a 2019 Ram 1500 X package from Rocky Ridge. Very sharp truck, brand spanking new. It's got the off-road package, rear backup camera, soft tailgates don't come slamming down. Goes up real easy. Of course, it's got the 4-pin and 7-pin wiring with the class 4 hitch receiver. What a cool looking truck. Power mirrors. This also has the mirrors that fold in by themselves, which is kind of cool also when you come to a restaurant or anywhere else you want to park. You want people to come by, you don't want people to come by and whack your mirrors. Power windows, power driver's seat. This also has your, again, built-in trailer braking, has heated seats, heated steering wheel, the bigger touchscreen radio, Bluetooth controls for your phone. Just a beautiful truck. It's got the rear sliding window, which is power. Even has a CD player. You don't see much of those anymore. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind, beautiful 2019 Ram pickup truck with a Rocky Ridge X package lift kit, which is a 6-inch lift, here you go. Any questions on this beautiful vehicle or on any beautiful vehicle we have on a lot or you've seen on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfogle from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. As always, thank you for the opportunity. Have a beautiful day.